Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already earned Google Play credit from Google Opinion Rewards. Now convert that into Robux. First, make sure your Play balance shows the earned amount. Once done, open the Roblox app on your Android device and sign into the account that needs Robux. Next, open the Play Store and confirm your Google account and payment methods so Play balance is selectable. Do this first so when you hit Buy Robux, Play balance appears as the payment option without delays. Now choose the Robux package that matches your Play balance and gaming needs. Regional pricing and tax can change the final cost. When you tap Buy, Roblox hands the purchase to Google Play, so select your Play balance as the payment method. You may need to authenticate with fingerprint, PIN, or Google password. This protects your account and avoids accidental charges. Completing authentication routes funds immediately, and your Robux should credit to your Roblox account within seconds once Google confirms the transaction. After purchase, verify Robux appeared in your Roblox balance and check the Google Play receipt email for the transaction ID. If Robux don't show up immediately, close and reopen Roblox and wait up to 10 minutes because server sync can lag. If it still fails, confirm you used the same Google account with Play balance and that the balance covered the final price including tax. If problems persist, use the transaction ID when contacting Google Play or Roblox support to speed resolution and request a refund or redelivery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.